Now this is how the equal button works. Let me first show you in idle, and then we'll go right back into our program. In showing you how it works, I must also show you how it doesn't work. So I'm going to say x is equal to 5 plus 6, and enter. X is 11. I want to eval x. I'm going to get an error. Oh, it doesn't like that. It wants a string, bytes, or code object. Alright, how about this? Let's eval 5 plus 6. Oh, we're in for another error now. And it didn't like that. And I'm noticing this part, it wants a string. So let's give them a string. Eval, single quotes, 5 plus 6, single quotes, parentheses, and I get 11. What do you know? Let's do this again, but this time let's add on to this. Put in 5 plus 6, that's 11, minus 1, that's 10, divided by 2, that's 5. Oh, but wait a minute, the order of evaluation here is going to totally screw things up. It's not going to give me that answer. It's not going to evaluate left to right. 5 plus 6 is 11, minus 1 is 10, and then 10 divided by 2 is 5. It won't do that. It'll take 1, divide it by 2, and give me a half. Oops, I mean negative half. Add 11 onto it. Well, let's hit enter, and we get 10.5. What do you know? So, the eval function follows the order of operations. It does division, multiplication first, then it'll do addition and subtraction. This is the basis, this function, of our equal sign button. Let's go back to our code now. So how does that translate into our program? I define a function called equal function, and I'm going to use the global variable BD. Now remember, BD is the accumulator of all the button data. Now I'm going to evaluate whatever is now in there, and I'm going to assign it back to BD. Now, Mr. TV, yes, would you go set that value in BD equal to yourself? He says, sure, I'll do that. And as soon as he does, we go down to the entry function, we see that TV, which is bound to text variable, automatically makes text variable equal to the same thing. And this is the way your evaluation goes into your calculator. Right there so you can see it. And then I immediately initialize BD again, so you can start doing more work. One more thing you have to do. This function has to be called. Who's going to call this function? The equal sign button. All right, let's go down there. And there he is, the equal button. So, right after text equals the equal sign, that's what's going to be on the face of the button. I tell the system, Mr. Equal Button, if anyone clicks on you, this is the command I want you to do. It's equal to the following. This is a lambda function. I'm going to define it right now. All right, here come my commands out there. They're following the colon. Here they come. One simple one. Go execute the equal function, EQF. And that's it. Time to test this. Let's click on File, Save, Run, and Run Module. That's 9 minus 5 equals 4. Oh, so far so goody. Let's do another one. 3 plus 2 divided by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 3 plus 1 should be 4. Let's do another one. Clear. 5 times 6 is 30. Divided by 2 is 15, and minus 1 is 14, equals 14.0. Okay, it looks like this thing works. Well, let's do one more just for fun. 1 plus 2 plus 7, that should give me 10, divided by 2 should give me 5, but that's of course not going to happen. It'll do 7 divided by 2 first, which is 3.5, plus 3, which will be 6.5. Alright, let's see what happens. 6.5. So it adheres to the mathematical order of operations. Our calculator works. I'm super happy, and you can add bells and whistles onto this as you please. I will leave my code in the comments section. I wish you lots of luck. Bye-bye now.